At our Early Nook site at Eaglescliffe, we've got the charity staff, we've got the operations staff, and now we have got the trading company working all together under one roof, which is fantastic. The new access road for the trading company has been built by GMI and their partners to ensure that we can actually deliver what we need to from a trading company point of view, so that's bringing in clothes from the goodwill of the people of the North East and Cumbria, and we bring them here to our trading company site and we distribute them to our buyers from there.
The Great North Air Ambulance are our charitable partner for this period in time. They've asked us to put a new road in to service the training facility, and we've worked alongside ZTL and the Applebridge family to make sure that we could effect this for them, to make sure that the facility runs in a more effective manner for them.
So what we've done alongside GMI, we've done a degree of site clearance works to enable the construction of around 400 metre squared area of tarmac to be laid adjacent to the existing property for Great North Air Ambulance.
Without businesses like GMI Construction, it would mean that much needed funds that we work so hard to raise via our charity fundraising team and the kind donations of the people of North East and Cumbria are spent on infrastructure rather than going out to patients using the helicopter in our 24/7 service. I really don't think that thank you covers it. Thank you is a big word but a small word at the same time. But seriously, thank you, because without the kindness and the will and determination of the GMI team and bringing all of the people together to make this road, we couldn't be where we are now.